think I'm drowning, asphyxiated. I wanna break the spell that you created. You're something beautiful, a contradiction. I